welcome to my humble homestead. So today I'm just going to go over a little bit of meal prep, some food prep stuff that I've done and am doing. Here, a lot of times will make my bone broth in my crock pot. And when I get down to the bottom of the bone broth, so the bottom of it can be a little bit, kind of spicy. So I drink it, cup it every day till I get to the bottom. So what do I do with that last couple cups of bone broth? I use it for my meal prepping. This is one super easy meal that I really like. Throw it in the morning, early in the day, done at dinner time, easy peasy. For me, I'm one person, makes a whole lot extra. Then I'm just going to food storage these in the freezer, and I will have extra meals for me at a later date. All I do, because I have the extra seasonings at the bottom, I just take any kind of chicken that I have. When I make a whole chicken, because I buy my chickens whole, I a lot of times will just take the chicken meat apart, use the bones for the bone broth. So I'll just have the extra chicken meat. I'll either freeze it or have it in a bag, something like that. I also had some chicken thighs. So for this time, I just used the chicken thighs. But before that, what I do is I just put some rice in here. I just put a couple cups of rice in here. Sometimes if I have extra broth that I want to use up, I'll put even 4 cups of rice, which is kind of what I did here. Then I put my chicken thighs. I did not debone them yet. I'm going to actually debone them now. I have some gloves. I'm going to debone them. If I want any, I put some fresh herbs in there. If you want to put any seasoning, you can. Put it on high. I put it on high for a couple hours. Then I turn it on low, and then if you're not going to be home, if you just want to put it right on low right away, you can just do that and let it cook all day long. And then here is my finished product. I have chicken and rice, and I'm just going to debone it, and then you mix it up. I have a salad with it. You can have some vegetables. I'm going to make some beets, some gold beets. So you can have whatever you want as a side dish. Super easy, delicious. I love it. Great brown rice, chicken, and then whatever veggies you want. This is how I make beets. Super easy. So I just chop the ends off and then wash them up really good. And then I put these in the Instant Pot with the skin on, because then what happens is once they're steamed in the Instant Pot, I just put like a cup of water in here, and then I stick them in there about 15 minutes. Then when they're done, I just cool them off. I run them under cold water in the pot. I literally can hand peel them off like that. Then these golden beets, oh my goodness, they're delicious. So then the final thing that I'm going to do is I made some homemade cream of mushroom soup. I had gotten some lovely portobello mushrooms and some white button mushrooms from Misfits. And I made, in my Instant Pot, I had made some homemade cream of mushroom soup. They have lots of recipes on the internet. I just grabbed one of those. I made it. This is not dairy free. So if you're looking for a dairy free one, you can find that as well. So I used cream, milk, garlic, the mushrooms. It was super easy. I mean, I just pretty much sauteed onions and everything in there. Ported it, did that, and then I used my little immersion blender. So what I'm going to do is once I get this cleaned out, I have a big pork chop here from my meat that I ordered. So I'm going to put this in here, put the rice. I'm going to put my rice in here, and then the cream of mushroom soup over it. Not all of it, probably half of it. And then I'm going to just let that cook. And that will be another meal that I will do and prep. Same thing. I will cook and freeze, and then I will have several meals set aside for days that I just don't feel like cooking. And all I have to do is add a vegetable to it. So that is how I meal prep. But if you do like my videos, I really do appreciate that you like them, give them a thumbs up, and that you share with other people too. I like to help other people get my little name out there. And then, all right, thanks so much, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and share.